Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back. Today we're having a look at a reel. Excuse me. Excuse the bloody reflux. So I'm down at the local reservoir, and it's probably a metre lower than the last time I was here. I could see the bottom where I was fishing not too long ago. It's just over there. I just had a look. The bottom's out of the water in some places, the bottom of the reservoir. I'm currently parked basically on the bottom of it. 12 months ago, you could fit two of this car on top of itself and it still wouldn't be out of the water. Anyhow, let's get on with the show. I was going to do this a little bit differently, but it's windy. There is showers passing through. You can see clouds are flying. So this reel is the same brand as the carp hooks I bought. It's a BFS. So have a look at the box. Sorry about the bloody shadows and stuff. I'll try and... SAMOLLA. Left hand wind. I hope that's the same way, right way for you guys. So they've been in operation since 1991. It's a nice badge there. SAMOLLA BFS reel. I'm pretty sure they call it F1s. F-O-N-E-S. Or it might be F, the number 1, apostrophe S. F1s. So I'll just read the box on this side. SAMOLLA is a global fishing gear supplier committed to the integration of development, production and sales. SAMOLLA produces fishing boats, which I think might be kayak, baits and accessories, and sells them all over the world. We insist on high quality and surfaces. And SAMOLLA fishing gear will bring you a wonderful fishing experience. Then down the bottom, please use the fishing reel correctly according to the instructions after use. Keep the fishing reel clean after use. Please ensure the safety of those around you. Okay, this is exactly how the box arrived. That's from me opening it. That little rip there. Exploded diagram, all in Chinese. Nice foam padding. Sorry about the bloody... shadows. Here she is. I think it's a 50 size reel. Might be 100. Not quite sure. It's pretty bloody small. It's like a gunmetal grey colour. It's nice. The spool has been machined. The grips are see-through and it looks like teeth. That's pretty sick. SAMOLLA there. Thumb bar's a little bit angled. 10+1 ball bearings. Yeah, there you go. There's the model F1s right on the front there. 7.2 to 1. Product by SAMOLLA. SAMOLLA since 1991. It has the brakes go to 20. It's a rather very, very low profile reel. Their logo's on the tension knob with SAMOLLA Fishing Tackle Co. Limited, 1991. SAMOLLA Fishing. I've already had it out of the box and played with it. Strapped it to a saw. Strapped it to a bloody rod. I bought a 2.1, but it's whippy as. You can do that and the whole thing just does this. 0.5 gram to 8 gram rod. 2.1. It's whippy as. So I've removed it. It's smooth as. Infinite reverse. Doesn't matter where you stop it. Ever so slight movement in the handles. That doesn't bother me one bit. You could probably shim it. It might be bushed. I don't know. Has a drag clicker. Rather nice one. Drag star movement. So we're all the way on there. It's a fair amount. Tension knob does in fact click. These have 5 kilos of drag, I think. Let's just check. Yeah, 4.5, 5 kilo. Brakes, it has a fair amount. It's got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 magnets. Short shaft. Oh, okay. Is that how easy it is to change? Bearings. I've got some ceramic bearings coming. I'm pretty sure these are stainless. That's actually sliding on the shaft. And these brakes go up and down in uniform, not, one side. I've seen reels sort of lopsided. They go up one way and come down the other way. These ones, that's max. That's on 20. And the whole thing turns in and out as it should. I'm impressed out of the box. So the line guide is a D, what do they call that, a D shape. It is conical as well, but it's not a T shape. It is conical shaped. How much did I pay? Pretty sure it was $28. The feel of it. It's a $60, $70 reel. $28 on AliExpress. I'm not sure what the spool weighs, but it's light as buggery. Really light. Really, really light. Probably weighs the same as a, oh, what are they? The jig heads I've got. That's light. Really light. I'll have to weigh it. $28, I'm pretty sure I paid for this. I will chuck it in the video, just to let you guys know. So I'll chuck the brakes on 10. Oh, here you go, I'll show you. I'll turn the brakes all the way down. Seems heavily braked, but we'll find out when I test it. SAMOLLA F1. F1s with an apostrophe. Let's try and get you, there you go, F1s. You type in F1s, you can't find it. Type in BFS reel and you'll see it. There's another SAMOLLA reel. It's just a normal bait caster with a deep spool. It looks like the Abu Garcia, the what is it? The Revo 3. It's got white covers on the outside, and then you'll see this one. You're looking for that spool. Can't wait to test it. SAMOLLA. I've got the carp hooks. Now I've got a BFS reel from them. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up. Excuse me, sort of smells electrical. Must be the grease. There is a bit of, excuse me. So, but on the rod, because the reel's so tiny, on the rod you can, no worries, you can do it one-handed. I have 2 fingers under the gun handle I put there, so I'm basically holding it like this. You can do it one-handed. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up and stick around for the test. The tune and test and tune, and then we'll see if we can catch something on it. Hooroo, thanks for watching.